classical music on the background and doing some schoolwork, checking papers. Yeah, I'm reading them one by one. It takes time, so I woke up early just to read fun stuff. Yeah, and I was able to encode them in my class record. Yeah, so this is done. 2 sections, right? One here and another one here. Yeah. So this morning, before we proceed with other school stuff, like prepare for the week, yeah, no, I want to relax later on. I usually do this. We're gonna, create new content. Remember, last time we were able to show you certain features of the Instamax 8, but unfortunately, we were not able to, capture good pictures. For some reason, the films were exposed, I guess because it's like 2 years before the last time I used it. So every time you install new films, you have to, I think, consume them right away. So right now we're gonna show you how to install the film, or I don't know what to call those, but anyway. So let's grab this. Instamax again. Okay. And then I purchased new cartridge. Oh. They actually cost 600 something. 680 for one box. Then that's 20 films. Okay, so it's around 1,300 for the 2. I'll use this on Monday for my students, for my favorite students. So we open the box. 10 each. Hide one. And this is it. So when you open this, and carefully make sure you don't touch the inside. Okay, you touched it. Oops. Gentle. There. On the side. On the side. Okay. Never touch the inside. No. And make sure it is inside the camera. Okay? So this is what it looks like. This is our camera. Huh. Latch. Okay. See, it says there, do not touch with finger. Now, this is supposed to be like this. Okay. And it's been a while. Do not press here. Okay, we will not press that. No. Then we will do this. Okay. It's done. See that? Close. And there's an indicator here. How many pictures remain? You see that? There. And it says here. Yes. Oh yeah, this is the counter, sorry. Start. Okay. Usual latch. Uy. Let's do that again. Side view. Uy, the lens opens. Okay. Okay, Okay, red light turns on. As you can see, means it's ready. Okay. Okay, so automatic option, see? So it says there. Let's try it. Now, last time there were no pictures captured, so this time let's do it. Ready? Okay. Here goes. Pam, 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 pam. There. Okay. This is the front cover. Now, number 10. There you go. Now, this is the actual picture. Wow. Oops. Okay, now. It's been a while since I last used this. So, you see here, number 10. Let's take a shot. Whoa. Oh, magic. Oh. Man, it takes a while. Yay, success! So how many seconds was that? Tobacco. Wave now. Turning darker, see? Wave, 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 wave. Whoa. Do they look the same? Yay! Okay, that's it for today. Back to work. Hope you enjoyed how to use or install a cartridge. Now, as you can see, to protect the film, see, it's good. We need to, this is the first one that will go out to protect the film. And then it says here S, right? And then it turned to 10 and now it's 9 shots left. 9, see? Okay. So I still have 9 more. Wow. I think one picture cost around 50 pesos. Not bad. I mean, for memories. So, hope you enjoyed, the guide through walkthrough using Instamax 8. Have a nice day.